Jizzle in full effect. Man, my boy Live is in here, man. I gotta bring his spirit up in here. Come up in here, Live. Man, look, just because man, Monso Live ain't here, man, but I gotta make sure his presence is in effect, because he's a long time, die-hard, Raider fan. Oh, he's so lit, man. This guy right here. Gotta make sure my Uso here, man. He a die-hard Raider fan, man. Can't say nothing about them Raiders, man. The world past our cast, man. You know, it look like he'll go to war and battle for them. Me, hey, I'm just a fair weather fan. I'm not gonna fight nobody over the Raiders. But yeah, man, my Oops, man, where you at? Come up in here. But I'm right here representing for him, man. Got some pretty interesting topic right here, man. So crazy, man. You know, I was just about to have my gourmet meal though, and I was like, man, let me get one in, man, just to show y'all. Hey, this meal's so expensive, boy. Y'all need to get involved. But it's gonna be tough the way the ticket is. See these steaks? Look at these foie gras right here. Yeah, man, freshly boiled right there. Add some pepper on there, some garlic, some salt, and you good. But just to, you know, go off the topic a little bit, you can eat this. But these other things at California, man, I'm from Cali, man, but Cali, man, y'all really doing some really strange stuff. You know, you want to ban food, products, cigarettes. I'm just saying, man, you look at the menthol Newports, man. I got fresh packs right here. Man, y'all been making money off this stuff, and now y'all want to get rid of it. Man, what's going on, man? What's going on, California? Let me give y'all a taste of what they talking about, man. You know, I mean, I don't understand it. You know, y'all make billions off of this thing, and now barely today, you want to say, ban the cigarettes. Come on, man. People done got rich already. Why you didn't ban it when it first came out? Why you even approve it to come out? But check it.
Starting today, retailers have to stop selling flavored tobacco products and menthol cigarettes.
This is a new statewide law that aims to reduce the rise in teen smoking. And Fox 5's Alani Latang joins us live.
Any flavor. I guess I don't know what the hell's up in there, man. Still.
Here is saying that with more on the impacts for children's health and on the tobacco industry as well. Alani, good evening.
I mean, what, you didn't care about the children then? Care about them now? So crazy, man. This thing been around forever. You want to blow them off now. No menthols.
Andrew Maria, good evening. I can tell you when you walk into most smoke shops, majority of their products are flavored tobacco products. So they say they're not.
Come on, man. Now they flavored. Come on, man. You was cool forever. Now you want to sweat these products, sweat these stores, these smoke shops. You can't sell this. Man, that's crazy.
Happy. They think it's not fair that people are going to end up getting these products elsewhere and not at their business like they would like to. Whereas supporters of this new law, including
California, you gonna ban it from the store. People still gonna be smoking them. They come from another state. Have tons of this stuff. Tripping, man. Stop it.
Say making it harder for kids to get their hands on these products will go a long way in reducing the amount of youth smoking. No more selling cotton candy.
Man, you ain't helping no damn kids, man. I'm banning this stuff, man. So much stuff out there, man. You see the rest of the topic I'm about to touch on.
blueberry, or any flavored tobacco products in California.
So I think this is a huge win for children's health, both in terms of their physical health and mental health.
Look, I love the kids, man. Protect the kids. But when did y'all just finally think about this? Government? Huh? When did you guys just think about this? California?
Voters passed Proposition 31 in November to ban retailers from selling or possessing a list of flavored tobacco and menthol products, including menthol cigarettes, e-cigarettes, or vape pens with flavored liquid.
That's basically everything, man. Let me go on to the next. Man, y'all done banned everything, man. Hey, I don't even smoke. I'm not even an advocate of this stuff. I'm just saying. Man, you gonna push this merchandise forever now, take it away.
Little cigars or cigarellos, plus tobacco product flavor enhancers.
With this act going into place where access will be more difficult, we will see a reduction.
At Rady Children's Hospital says middle school and youth who use these products. Several smoke shops and liquor.
Man, let me go on to the next joint, man. Hey, y'all didn't only ban cigarettes. Y'all trying to ban TikTok.
Censorship, or are we saving the children? President Biden now threatened.
Look, man, I'm down. Look, I'm down with protecting the kids once again. But there's a saying. It goes change. Wait. Man, what's it go? If you change damn, it'll come to me. But let me just play it though.
Ban TikTok in the United States unless the Chinese owners get out of the app. Worries are that the Chinese government could pressure TikTok's developer ByteDance into revealing all of...
See, and this is another thing. This right here. TikTok in America. First, you approve it. You know, America approves it from China. It's cool. We can run it. Now, they come back, there's an issue. You're providing them with all your information. Man, you knew that from the beginning. And then you approve their product.
Personal info on the app. The company says a change in ownership wouldn't help with national security. They say the move is to keep all the data in the United States, which they claim.
Come on, man. I mean, it makes sense, though. I understand it. Why didn't you go through all of that beforehand? That should just be something that you should just be aware of. I can't approve TikTok unless that information stays here in America.
They already do. TikTok has been working with the United States government for 2 years on a deal to keep the app going in the United States. Today's news very similar to a proposal by the Trump administration a few years back. You might remember last week, I think it might have been the Republicans in the House put forth a bill to say that the president would have the authority to do this. Obviously now a lot of people are saying, okay, well, where does the line draw? Where do we draw the line here between censorship and protecting American interests?
I mean, there's so many concerns there. I get it. I would get my children back.
The lady said she'll get her children back because, boy, with TikTok and all these other platforms, or these the children just became gamers. You know, they just want to come home and play game, get on TikTok. TikTok is cracking, and when they do away with it, kids gotta mind their mother. They gotta mind their parents. But yeah, man, that's not it though. Watch this.
But do you want them back?
I do.
Okay, good.
I do.
We're done.
It depends.
Yeah.
There are parental controls.
But they would not be happy if Skittles were taken away either.
That's
like
true.
That's like a real family favorite.
Hey, did you hear that? Boy, they trying to ban certain food and candies. Man, that's what I mean, man. California, what's up, dog? Man, these people been eating this stuff for years already, centuries. What's this?
You know, it's
Sour Patch Kids, peanut M&Ms.
Skittles, dog, Sour Patches, M&Ms. Come on, man. Can't ban that. Campbell soup.
Where does it stop, Andy?
It's a lot, you know, from banning digital junk now to actual junk food. We love banning stuff in California, and the latest on our do not put it in your mouth.
Bruh. Man, this is getting tough around here, man. You can't play certain things, you can't eat.
List could be
Hey, Lon, what we gonna eat, dog? What we gonna eat? Man, we some eaters. We Samoan.
hot tamales, candy, Sour Patch
Damn, hot tamales too. That's Sour Patch.
Kids, and Campbell's soup.
What?
Come on, man. How you gonna do this? You heard the lady right there. She said, what? Campbell soup. That's crazy, man. They be having big eating Campbell soup commercials, dog. Then watch this.
Candy, Sour Patch Kids, and Campbell's soup.
What?
Yeah, oh, buckle up. It is all part of a crackdown on chemicals some studies have linked to cancer. Womp womp.
Bruh, come on, man. You knew these chemicals were in these candies already. This food already. You knew these chemicals were there. And you approved it back then. Now you gonna come back after whoever these companies, they're rich already. They're rich. You gonna sweat them now? It's crazy, dog.
Also on that list, Skittles. No taste in the rainbow in California. Assemblyman Jesse Gabriel is behind all of this. He wants to ban 5 common food additives that some studies have linked to cancer or condemn.
Come on, man. If they're gonna ban these right here because of a certain chemical, I think the chemical is there's a variety of chemicals. Titanium dioxide. Man, I know there's more. I know they're gonna voice more. It's crazy, man. Oh. You knew that chemical was in there beforehand. Now you gonna double back, triple back. Man, it's wild.
Organs. The items include brominated vegetable oil. Don't you hate it when your oil?
Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, there's like 5 different food additives ban proposal. And these things probably been in our food. Check it out.
Veggie oil gets brominated.
Just don't read the ingredients.
Terrible.
Brominated
Potassium
vegetable oil.
bromate and titanium dioxide. Those are already banned in Europe. If it goes through, this will likely impact the entire country, with makers changing their formulas all over, not just specifically making a California.
Hey, so apparently these items have been banned in Europe already. I don't know what's taking America so long, but how long have they banned it? Who knows?
Blend version of Skittles. The only thing about this is, while the chemicals certainly sound evil, some of the harm is linked to how much you eat, or in the case of titanium dioxide, if you breathe it in. One thing that...
Bro, titanium dioxide? When you breathe that joint, bro, you going down. These people didn't know that, man. That shit is sick with it.
Sure, though, the Sour Patch Kids will still be loaded with sugar.
Right.
And that's why we love it.
Just let me know when I do this.
Hey, you know this shit is bad, right? You do all these, this gadget, these chemicals, all in the pot, stir it up with some water, and you just knew this thing wasn't right, and you still fed it to the people. It's like rat poison. If that's how you're putting it, man, come on, man, y'all playing too much.
On cases before the ban.
I mean, realistically, I'm sure that they'll just change the recipe.
You know
I'm
what
sure they
bothers
save
me
money
about?
by
You know
putting this
what
stuff
bothers me that I don't think that we're talking about?
in. Go off.
That the government is saying you can't take care of your kids and you are too dumb to know what's good for your kids, so we're going to decide for you. And that's what bothers me. I don't know if it bothers, and I don't even have kids. I don't even have
You
kids.
just
but
don't like the control.
I don't like the control. It's like too much.
Run on the bending.
Boom. That lady had a great point right there. Come on now. You approved it. You pulled it. Hey, y'all, what y'all the bullies? The government, that is. But, man, that lady had a great point, though, man. Stop telling us what to do, man.
Wow, right now.
There you go. Well, Fear got the final word.
It's that control, man. It's that control.
Let's talk about the weather.
That was the final word, though. But yeah, nah, that's all I wanted to cover right there, man. Damn, they done banned tobacco. Got my gourmet meal. It's gourmet when it's expensive in the mug with the foie gras. Now they doing the candies and Campbell soup and everything. Nah, what we gonna eat, bro? What we gonna eat? They trying to cut us. They trying to cut us off. But yeah, man, press the like button, subscribe, man. All that thing is free, man. Comment, man. Hit our Venmo, Cash App, and this Jizzle Knows. Peace.